In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Google account that you can use to access a variety of Google services like Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, and many more. And if you want to keep your Google account secure, then make sure you watch the video till the end, as I will be showing you a really important security tip. So without further ado, let's dive into the computer. Open your preferred browser. In this case, I'm using Chrome. Click on sign in. Click on create account. Now there are three options for my personal use, for my child, and for work or my business. So depending on your usage, make sure you select the right option. In this case, I'm going to use for my personal use. Just fill up this form. Add your password in. Make sure you use a strong password. I highly recommend using a password manager. I normally use LastPass, but there are various softwares in the market. So just Google for a password manager. And if you already use a password manager, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. Once you've added all the details, click on next. It will ask you for your phone number, your recovery email address, your date of birth, and your gender. Although phone number and email address are optional, I highly recommend you add phone number and your email address, because this will be useful at a later stage to keep your account secure. Select the gender. I'm just gonna put my phone number in there, my additional email in there. Click next. Now it will ask you to verify your phone number. So click on send, and it will send you a verification number on your phone. Simply copy the number here and click verify. Click yes, I'm in. For now, I'm just gonna go for express personalization. Click next. Accept the privacy policy. Click confirm. Accept the terms. And there you go. You have now created your Google account. And with this Google account, you can access a variety of Google services, all this. And if you click more from Google, it will show you all these products that you can use with your Google account. Thanks for watching the video so far. Now, as promised in the beginning of my video, let me show you the tip about how to keep your Google account secure. Now, there are two ways to achieve this. The first way is to use your phone for signing in, and the second option is the two-step verification. In this case, I'm going to show you how to enable the two-step verification, because I don't have any phone set up with this brand new Google ID. So in order to enable your two-step verification, click on your profile picture on the top right here. Click on manage Google account. Click on security. If you scroll down, you can see signing into Google, and there are three options: use your phone to sign in and the two-step verification. So if you click on two-step verification, scroll down, click on get started. Now it will ask you to log in again. Let me get my password quickly. and it will ask you to verify your phone number again. And there are two options. How do you want to get codes? You can either get using a phone call or using a text message. In this scenario, I'm going to use text message. Click on next. It will send you a phone number to verify. Sorry, it will send you a code to verify. Simply add that code here and click on next, and click on turn on. So you have now turned on your two-factor authentication. So every time you log into Gmail or any other Google services, it will ask you to verify your phone number by sending you a unique code. That's all I got for you in today's video. If you love this video, make sure you share the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. I appreciate you and I hope you have an amazing day.